Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to get a custom cursor on Roblox Shiftlock. So firstly, we need to open up our browser and the search panel we'll type icons 8, then enter. Now go to the website of icons 8. In here we will find different types of free cursors and crosshairs. So we'll just type crosshair. Then there will be a lot of crosshairs that will be available for us to download in here. We can just select any one of them. I'll select this one, click on download. Now we will choose a custom size, which will be 32 by 32. After that, we have to click on download. Now the cursor is downloaded and we'll take it to the desktop. Now it will go to the search panel, then type Roblox player. Then click on open file location. Now in the shortcut, we will open file location again. Then go to content, textures. And from here we have to scroll down to the near bottom of this page, from where we can find mouse locked cursor. We have to copy it. Then paste it in desktop as well. Now we will create a new folder, select it a backup, and then we will copy the name of the cursor, then paste it as the name of the cursor we downloaded, then copy it and paste it in the textures folder. Now the shift lock key cursor has been changed, so if we go into Roblox player, now let's get into a game. Now press escape and go to settings. From here turn shift lock switch on, and after that if you press shift, you will see that your shift lock cursor has changed and it has been switched with a new one. So that's how you can switch the shift lock cursor in Roblox. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.